Got it. Thank you. All right. I can get your client out though. Is it some way you can tell your client to come join me in the main session?
Yeah, sure. And I guess we could tell him to call him and tell him. Yeah. All right. We'll call him something. Come on.
All right. And then Attorney Johnson, you have Robert Williams. Let me get him out too. Miss Williams, Bianca Williams, I'm gonna put you in the waiting room until I'm ready for you, okay?
And they're trying to bring you into the main court. You're trying to get the case started. What's going on? Leave breakout. Go to the main section.
Okay. Push it now.
Well, Robert Williams came out first. Now calling the matter of the people. He listened first. Now calling the matter of the people versus Robert Williams. This is ticket number SP 1379392. Count 1, reckless driving. Count 2, open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. No driver. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please record Your Honor, Vassal Johnson II, 72130 on behalf of Mr. Williams. He's present on Zoom. Say your name,
Mr.
sir.
Williams.
My name is Robert Williams.
Judge, I spoke with Mr. Goss. He's filling in for Miss Mason. I am requesting discovery. He told me to email Miss Mason. So I'm asking for an adjournment of the pretrial today.
All right. I'll adjourn the pretrial until April 29th. Does that work with you, Attorney Johnson?
Yes, ma'am.
April 29th, 8:30 a.m. I'll set his bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Is there a reason why you didn't come get your fingerprints done yet, Mr. Williams?
I still have no ride.
Oh, I remember now, Mr. Williams. Never mind. Ha, you're the one who's taking the Uber and stuff, taking your kids back and forth to get all that stuff done. All right. All right. I'll have some mercy. Thank you, Mr. Williams. Mr. Williams has been diligent with showing up to court every single time, even though he didn't have counsel assigned, and he was very diligent. So I want you to know that, Attorney Johnson. He has been very diligent about showing up to court, and the court apologizes that it took us so long to get you counsel, okay?
It's okay.
All right. If you're all set, then Mr. Williams will have your next court date that day. He'll get the discovery and share it with you, and you can make your decision from there. If we do need to have a trial, Attorney Johnson, remind me, and I'll try and expedite it a little bit since he's been waiting so long. Okay.
Okay, will do.
All right. No problem. All right.
All right. Thank you.
Have a good weekend.
Have a good day.
All right.
Terrell Walker, you too. Take care, Mr. Williams. Mr. Walker, I will. Thank you. Terrell Walker. Mr. Walker.
Can we waive his presence and tell him what you say, Your Honor, for the new date?
Oh my gosh. Now calling the matters of the people versus Terrell Psycho Walker. This is ticket SP 1499068, count one, defective brake lights, count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1499050, count one, 31 miles plus over posted speed, count two, dirty, obscure, improperly displayed plates, count three, tinted front windows. Ticket number SP 1507163, brandishing of firearms. This is the date and time set for two of the tickets. Those have the same officers. This other ticket doesn't, but that's just set here today for a pretrial. I do have Officer Harpit online with me today as well. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel for the defendant.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. May it please the court, Daniel Reed, P number 30965, appearing on behalf of Mr. Walker. We do consent this matter proceeding by Zoom. Mr. Walker, state your name for the record, sir.
Terrell Walker.
Thank you.
All right, this is the date and time set for a bench trial on part of it. I do have the officer here. The other one is just set for a pretrial. How are we proceeding?
May it please the court, Your Honor, we had an opportunity to talk to the city attorney. We'd like to set this matter over for another date, for a trial date on all matters.
Officer Harput, are you available on May 15th? I know that's a little ways away. When is your furlough?
I'll be available for that, Your Honor. My furlough's not till July.
Okay, cool. So I'm doing May 15th. I'm gonna adjourn all these matters as bench trials until that day at 9:30 a.m. And at that point in time, you're gonna have to have some type of resolution, Attorney Reed, okay?
We will, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. If there's nothing further, I'll continue his bond at this present time. Thank you. Be careful,
All right,
officer.
Mr. Walker, we'll talk.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Also. Yeah, be safe out there. We'll see you Sunday. Goodbye.
All right, Mr. Walker. Bye, Attorney Reed. Mr. Walker, you be careful, and we'll see you back on May 15th for your other bench trial. Okay?
Okay.
He'll talk to you. Next time, retain counsel earlier so they can come in here and ask for what they need to ask for, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. If there's nothing further, you're all set to go, okay?
All right, thank you.
All right, no problem. Attorney Cobb, did your client actually sign on today? Ms.
Your
White?
Honor, my client is present with me, Miss Alita White.
You did say she was present in there with you. I was gonna say, I thought you said she was here. I just couldn't remember. Okay. You ready on your matter?
Yes. We're ready, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Alita White. This is ticket Z80911061. This is one count of operating while intoxicated. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel first and then with your client.
Good morning, Judge. Michael Cobb, P78658, here with Miss Alita White. We do agree to having this hearing via Zoom. Miss White, would you state your name for the record?
Alita.
Yeah, please, most honorable court.
Ms. White, we didn't get that real good. You just got to scoot in a little bit more.
Say it again.
Say your name
Alita.
one more time.
Alita White.
Thank you so much. Now continue, counsel.
Your Honor, I've had an opportunity to speak with the people. We have some mitigating circumstances surrounding this offense. We have some documentation that we like for the people to see that we believe might be effective in coming up with a resolution. Additionally, some discovery as well in this matter. We were wondering if the court could put this over for another date, Your Honor.
I can. Does April 29th work for you, counsel?
That should be fine, Your Honor.
Okay,
Is that
check and
good?
make sure. As long as
Would that-
it's fine.
Would that be at 8:35, Your Honor? Would
It
that be
is
at
at
8:35
8:35.
a.m.?
Yes. It's a Monday, just so you know the day of the week. Does that work okay for everybody?
That works, Your Honor.
All right, I'll set this matter over for a pretrial on that date of April the 29th at 8:35 a.m. Ma'am, just all the restrictions that you were given at that point in time, you need to continue to follow them. So if you can't drive, don't drive, because you'll just get a ticket and they'll send it to me and I'll know, okay?
Your Honor, she came with me.
Okay. No, I'm just saying sometimes they give them restricted license and they can do certain things, but I'm just letting her know all her matters that happen in Detroit that are driving, they're gonna come to me. So I want her to know.
I understand, Your Honor. We're just letting you know that she is being a stand-up citizen, Your Honor.
Fantastic. All right. All right.
All right, thank
Attorney
you.
Cobb, you're welcome. I'll see you then, okay?
All right.
All right, good luck.
You too.
Thank you.
Judge Willa May's iPhone was here earlier. Can I let her in?
Yeah, you can let her in.
Ms. Wilkerson? Ms. Wilkerson? The person who just joined on the phone, what's your name?
Willie Mae
Yuan
Walker.
Williams.
Oh,
Yuan
okay.
Williams with
Oh,
my daughter.
I'm sorry. Yvonne Williams back? You're back, Ms. Williams?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I didn't have to do these songs.
Okay, why did you come out the breakout room?
I don't know. I laid my phone down and picked it back up, and I was out. It didn't say nothing.
Okay, well, I'm gonna put you back in breakout room 16.
16. Yeah.
Okay, just a moment.
I don't know when phone say on for some reason. Everybody's on charge.
Okay, just be as quiet as you can, please, Ms. Williams. I'm gonna put you back.
Okay. Oh.
You know how to put your, press *6 on your phone, Ms. Williams, to put it on mute.
*6.
The symbol star.
Oh, I gotta put star first.
Yes. Okay, great. And you do the same thing when you're asked to take it off of mute. Ms. Wilkerson?
Yes.
Put break. Oh, no, not Miss. Oh, Miss.
Oh, that I'm about to. You could put her in the waiting room, Sandy. She's gonna do a plea offer. She must have got disconnected or something. But I'm putting her notes back on here.
Okay, thank you. All right, I'll put her in the waiting room.
Forgive me if I'm interrupting. Would anybody be opposed to me bringing Monteza Wilkerson back in out of the waiting room? I need to take her back to the break.
Already done. I brought her back in. Go ahead and talk to her.
Ms. Wilkerson, can you hear me? This is your attorney.
Yes, I can hear you.
can you go back to the breakout room, please? I'm showing that you're already assigned to room 9. If you choose the breakout room option, you'll go to room 9. I'll see you there right away.
Okay.
Okay.
It's on here, or are you gonna invite me?
You're already assigned to that room, so you should look for the option at the bottom of your screen that says breakout room. It might say more.
Oh, okay. I see it now.
All right, I'll see you there.
Okay.
The person who just joined us, what's your name, please? Take your phone off mute. Okay, good morning, sir. What's your name?
I'm sorry, Zachary Williams. My phone just died. I just charged it back up. I'm sorry.
Okay, Mr. Williams.
I'm sorry about that. My phone died.
You remember which breakout room you were in?
I already talked to the lawyer.
Okay, did he ask you to come to the courtroom?
Yeah, I was on mute. I got kicked out. My phone died though. Excuse me.
No problem. Just one moment.
I'm about to go mute.
You said your name is Zachary what?
It's Zachary Williams.
Oh, it's okay. Just one moment. Okay. I'm sorry, Mr. Williams. Which breakout room did you say you were in?
Damn. I had a quarter party, so that's hard. I already talked to him, and we went back to the judge,
That's what he
and I
said.
just had to stay on mute until he showed up. But my phone died.
Right, but I just want to be clear that he asked you to come back to the courtroom.
Yeah, I was watching the cases as they go. But you can restart everything. I'm just trying to be convenient with y'all.
Okay, listen to me.
Hmm?
I'm just trying to figure out if I should put you back into the waiting room or if I should put you, back into the breakout room so that you can finish talking to the attorney, or if you're completely done and your case
Oh
is
yeah.
here and I put you in
I'm
the,
sorry to cut you off. Me and the attorney had a full talk. So that he sent me back to the courtroom.
okay, I'm gonna put you in the waiting room then. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Sorry.
That's okay, no worries. You're good. Good tight.
Okay.
The person who just joined us on the iPhone, what's your name, please?